Lawrence Neal here from CorporateWarrior.co. So I get asked quite a lot from members and listeners, how do I increase my sales conversion and how do I retain my clients for longer? So Discover Strength and Rock Solid Fitness, who are two successful high-intensity strength training businesses, use something called a proven process within their business. And this is where you can essentially sell a proven formula, a journey to your client, as opposed to a single workout. And this really helps differentiate you from some of your competition and helps give you an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise to your prospect and to your clients. So your proven process might look like this. Firstly, you understand the interests and goals of your client. Then you put them through an excellent free introductory workout. Then you explain to them that you're going to create something called an exercise prescription and you're going to tailor the workout plan exactly to their needs. Then you're going to talk to them about how you analyze the experience, how there's a two-way communication where the client can provide you with feedback on your coaching and your instruction, and where you can provide feedback on their performance. Next, you talk about how you're going to share their progress, how you're going to measure objectively using things like a bod pod or other tools to show them how they're progressing towards their goals. And lastly, you're going to talk about how you're going to modify the plan, how you're going to change the plan over the long term to help them achieve their goals and get great results, and also align with their goals as they shift over time. So give it a go. I really encourage you to implement something like this in your business, and I promise you it will differentiate you from your competition. You might be doing a basic consultation at the beginning, and it will really give you an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise and increase those sales conversions. And secondly, your clients are going to see over the long term just how effective something like a proven process is in getting results over time, and that will increase your client retention. So I'm Lawrence Neal, and I will speak to you soon.